I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and comment down below. Subscribe for more content.
Ugh. What's going on with me? Oh no, not again. Grrrrrrrrrrrr. I just want my allergies to be gone. Uh-oh, not again.
Who is sneezing so loud?
I'm not really sure, Luna. I think it's coming from over this way. It's Cassie. Hey Cassie, are you okay?
No. Ever since I came back home, I've been sneezing a lot. I think I might need to go to my doctor and ask her why am I still sneezing.
EWW. Cassie. You sneezed on me.
Uh-oh. Sorry, GoBig, I didn't pull up my shirt on time. I'm so sorry, GoBig.
Oh, it's okay, Cassie. I can call your doctor for you. So that way I can tell your doctor what's going on with you. And I will tell her why you're sneezing a lot, okay?
Thanks, GoBig.
No problem, Cassie.
Hello, this is Dr. Joey's office. And how may I help you this afternoon?
Hi Kate. This is GoBig. We need to make an appointment for Cassie. She has been sneezing a lot.
Okay, GoBig. I have 1:30 p.m. today.
Okay, we will take that one.
Okay.
Hi, GoBig, Luna and Cassie. Oh dear. I see what you mean. Oh my goodness. Cassie, how long has this been going on for?
For a long time.
Oh, I see. Have you been taking anything for your allergies?
Yes, I have been taking honey.
What I'm going to have you take along with your honey is a pill. And you'll need to take it after you are done taking the honey.
Okay. Thanks, Dr. Joey.
You're welcome. And if you are wondering why you are seeing me instead of your other doctor, it's because she had a family emergency to handle. But she'll be back tomorrow.
Oh, I see.
Bless you, Cassie.
Thanks.
Okay, Cassie. Here's the medication. You need to take it after your honey, okay?
Okay. Okay guys, I took the pill after I took my honey.
That's good, Cassie.
I'm going to go to bed.
Okay, Cassie.
Anyways guys, that's all for this video. We'll see you all in the next video. This is GoBig, Luna and Cassie signing off.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.